Assalamu alaikum children. Welcome to the science class for the grade 3. This is lesson number 9, light, part 3. In the previous two videos we have completed the lesson explanation part. So in today's video we will complete textbook exercises. Okay. Here is the first bit with the true or false. State T for true and F for false. So first statement is the sun is a natural source of light. Yes, it is true. Sun is a natural source of light. Next, the bulb is an example of a non-luminous source of light. No, it is false because bulb is an example of luminous object. What are luminous objects? An object which gives light. So bulb gives light. So it is not a non-luminous. It is luminous. So this statement is wrong. So we have written here false. F for false. Third one. Window pane is an example of a transparent object. Yes, for the windows which glass we use, we can see through it, that is transparent. So it is true. Shadow is formed when light falls on a transparent object. No, when light falls on an opaque object, we get shadow. So this statement is wrong. Here we have written F for false. So here we can sum up the lesson. We need light to see things. The sun is a natural source of light. Bulbs, tube lights and street lamps are human-made sources of light. They help us to see at night and in the dark. Light travels in a straight line. Light can travel through transparent objects. When the source of light is blocked by an opaque object, it casts a shadow on the opposite direction, opposite side. So this is the summary of lesson, which important points we have learned from it. So here are words for practice. First is luminous. Luminous means an object which gives light. Non-luminous, an object which does not give light. It's the opposite of luminous. Light beam means a ray of light. What is transparent? An object which lets the light to pass, which allows the light to pass. That object is transparent. Opaque, an object which does not let the light to pass through it. That is opaque object. Shadow. What is shadow? The dark image cast on some surface by a person or thing blocking the light. So this is shadow. Okay. These are the new words from your lesson. Now we will see. Tick the correct answers. First one. Materials through which light can pass are called. Correct answer is transparent. Other options are translucent, opaque, glass. These are not correct. Correct answer is transparent. Next one. A shadow is formed when a shadow is formed, the light is turned off. Only when we turn off the light can we get the shadow? No. The path of light is blocked by an object. So then we get shadow. An object falls on the floor? No. None of these happen. So here correct answer is second one. The path of light is blocked by an object. A shadow is formed. Third one. Dash would be a shady place to stand on a sunny day. Which will be shady place? The river? No. In river we cannot get any shadow to stand. The middle of a cricket pitch. In the cricket ground at the middle. Do we get shade here? Shadow? No. The area under a tree, yes, it is correct answer. And fourth option is road, that is also wrong. So here correct answer is the area under a tree where we get shady place to stand on a sunny day. Fourth one, when the sun is behind you, your shadow is, where your shadow will be, always shadow falls in opposite direction, opposite side. So when the sun is behind you, your shadow is behind you, above you, in front of you, nowhere. So correct answer is in front of you. Next, shadows made by the sun are shortest. When the shadows will be shortest? In the morning? No. At midday when the sun is directly overhead? Yes. At the afternoon time, at midday when sun is directly overhead, we get shortest shadow. In the evening? No. In the evening also we get long shadow. When? None of these happens. So here correct answer is second one, at midday when the sun is directly overhead. So here are some fill in the blanks. Let's see. First one, dash helps us to see things. What helps us to see? Light. In the presence of light only we can see the objects. Torch is an example of dash source of light. What source of light torch is? It is human made source. Only sun is the natural source of light. Other sources are human made. Light takes less than 100 millionth of a dash to reach your eyes. It takes 100 millionth of a second to reach to your eyes. Next, dash objects do not allow light to pass through them. Which objects does not allow? Do not allow light? Opaque objects. Depending on the position of the dash and dash are of different shapes and sizes. Depending on the position of sun, shadows are different shapes and sizes. Okay, so here next bit is match the following columns. Here four things are given in column A and you have to match with column B. So here first one is shadows. So shadows matches with are shortest at noon. Shadows are shortest at noon. Next, bulb is a human made source of light. Next, clear plastic sheet matches to, here actually transparent should come, transparent object. Last one, light matches to travels in straight line. Okay, understood? So all these exercises, complete this part in your textbooks by following this video. Okay, next bit is look at the picture, look at the pictures, note the position of the sun and draw the shadows accordingly. So here these pictures are there, but there are no shadows with that. We have to draw. So as this girl is getting sunlight at her right side, so obviously she will get the shadow in opposite side. So here shadow comes. Okay, I have drawn roughly. Shadow comes here. When sun is overhead, we get shadows in our feet here, shortest shadow. Here this girl is getting sunlight at her left side, so she will get her shadow towards her right. Okay, these shadows you have to draw. Then after that you have to write question answers. You have to complete your notes. In your notebooks write lesson number 9, then write words for practice which I am sending through PDF. Then these question answers, short and long mixed, I am sending through the PDF. So copy from that, complete your notes. Okay, inshallah next week we will start new lesson, lesson number 10. Okay, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.